referred to inside as G20, this 3 arrangement depends on a similar cluster architecture, aka CLAR, that supports BMW's bigger longitudinal motor models, with a structure that utilizes more aluminum and high-quality steel than the active F30H. It is 3.3 inches longer yet weighs not exactly previously. Changing to aluminum for the front bumpers and hood spared 33 pounds, with decreases somewhere else, meaning the new 3 arrangement will come in up to 120 pounds lighter than the comparable form of the present vehicle. BMW is especially glad for the 3's new position touchy aloof dampers, which subdue expansive suspension movements with an extra water-driven component. These will be standard on all variants aside from those with the versatile framework, and they kept up outstanding order amid our ongoing drive of a model in Germany. While different markets will get a plenty of gas and diesel motors, the arrangement is to offer just 3 decisions in the US. The 4-chamber 330i and the 6-barrel M340i will utilize developments of existing turbocharged power plants. A module mixture 330e will follow in mid-2020, yet BMW is being demure about the specifics of that one. The 330i gets an unassuming increment in yield, with pull ascending from 248 to 255 and torque expanding from 258 to 295 pounds-to-foot. BMW gauges speeding up figures will be only a tick faster than the active 330i's, yet we wouldn't be astonished if the enhancement is greater once we get the G20 on a test track. The M340i has the brawnier variant of the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6, which will make its presentation in the Z4. It produces 382 drive and 369 pounds-to-foot of torque. The lot of the active 3 arrangement ended up obsolete when Mercedes propelled the 4th-gen C-Class in 2014 and decidedly behind the times when the current Audi A4 followed in 2016. The principal message on the new vehicle may be its enhanced elements, yet the inside has gotten a considerable refresh too. The passage-level variant will have a 5.7-inch computerized show in the check group and in addition a 8.8-inch focal touchscreen. Purchasers of the 330i will have the capacity to move up to a 12.3-inch computerized instrument show and a 10.3-inch dashboard screen packaged with route treats that come standard on the M340i.